Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn network security. Begin by building a strong foundation in networking fundamentals. Understanding how data travels across networks, including concepts like TCP/IP, routing, and firewalls, is absolutely crucial. Next, get comfortable with operating systems, particularly Linux and Windows, as many security tools and vulnerabilities are OS-specific. Finally, pick up a scripting language like Python. It's incredibly useful for automating tasks and analyzing data in security. Once you have your foundation, dive into core security concepts. Learn about common attack vectors, such as phishing, malware, and denial-of-service attacks, and understand the defense mechanisms against them. Explore the fascinating world of cryptography, grasping how encryption and hashing protect information. Additionally, understanding access control models and identity management is vital for securing systems and data effectively. These concepts form the backbone of network security. Theory is great, but practical experience is essential. Set up a home lab, perhaps using virtual machines, to safely experiment with different security scenarios. Get hands-on with industry-standard tools like Wireshark for network analysis and Nmap for port scanning. Actively participate in Capture the Flag challenges and ethical hacking exercises. These provide invaluable real-world problem-solving experience. Aim for at least 2 hours of practical work each day to solidify your skills. Network security is an ever-evolving field, so continuous learning is key. Stay informed about new threats, vulnerabilities, and emerging security technologies through blogs, news, and research papers. Consider pursuing industry certifications, such as CompTIA Security Plus or Certified Ethical Hacker, to validate your knowledge and enhance your career prospects. Finally, connect with other security professionals and join online communities. Sharing knowledge and experiences is incredibly beneficial for growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.